Well, hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about how to install the public beta of iOS 15. Well, Apple today rolled out the public beta one of iOS 15, and in this video, I'm going to talk about it. So, this is the website. I have linked it in the description. You can click the description link and straight away jump into this website. After going into this website, it will ask you to log in, and it is really simple. What you have to just do is if you have a Face ID enabled device, you can just click on continue and it will straight away log in for you. You don't have to do anything. If you have Touch ID enabled, you can do the Touch ID thing, and then simply it will log in, and after logging in you will see the screen. After you saw the screen, scroll down a little bit and then here you can read it, but basically what it says is like the diagnose, feedback and all. It will have a feedback app, and I also actually recommend you guys to back up your device first, and it does have information related to that, so you guys can read it. But it is basically just saying that iOS 15 have these new features and all. But how to get the public beta? What you have to do is, if you'll see here, enroll your iOS device, click on this and then it will load up. Wait a second, and then you can see we have this Apple ID. You have to sign in. You have to click on continue, and after that simply it will take you to the settings and download the profile. How we can do it? Here you can click download profile, and after clicking on download profile, here you can click on allow, and then it downloaded the profile. It is that simple. Then what you have to do is open settings. After opening settings, you have to click here, like you can see here, profile downloaded, and after clicking here you have to click on install and put in the passcode, update section, and here you have the public beta 2. Well, it says the public beta 2, I don't know why, but yeah, it is basically the first public beta. So that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you guys, click that subscribe button, because I do tend to make a lot of videos on this. And peace out. I will meet you all in the very next episode.